Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and the future perfect continuous. So let's start our video. Present perfect continuous. Rule. Present means have or has. Perfect means V3. Here V3 is been. Continuous means ing form. That's all. For example, for IUV there we use have, for he, she, it we use has. I have been singing. She has been dancing. The present perfect continuous is used that something action started in the past and still going in the present. We use present perfect continuous. For example, they have been talking for last hour. Here talking is an action, means some action started in the past and is still going. We use present perfect continuous. Now past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Rule. Had, past, plus perfect means been. Continuous means ing form. We use had for all subjects. We use had for all subjects. For example, I had been playing. He had been listening. In brief, the past perfect continuous is used to refer to an ongoing action that ended before another action in the past. In the term of example, I had been working. I had been working in a company for 5 years. For 5 years when I got the promotion. When I got the promotion. Once again, past perfect continuous was used to refer to an ongoing action that ended before another action in the past. Now, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Rule. Future means shall will. After shall will, V1. Here V1 is have. Perfect means V3 been plus ing form. For example, I will have been dancing. They will have been playing. They will have been playing. The future perfect continuous describes an action that will continue up until at a point in the future. For example, at 5 o'clock, I will have been waiting for 30 minutes. I shall at 5 o'clock. I will have been waiting for 30 minutes. The future perfect continuous is used to describe an actions that will continue up until at a point in the future. Thank you friends. Please learn. If any doubts, please tell in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends.